Today we are going to take a look of this fabric shaver lint removing machine. So first we have the machine itself, some really shiny and cheap plastic, also a transparent compartment for the lint balls, a protective cover, so there are no holes here. This is only like for storing the device, and there is a second cover. Seems like this one has a big hole in the middle, so if we are putting this on, there is a mechanism. If you turn this, the second ring gets pushed away from the shaver grid. So yeah, you can set the distance of the shaver from the surface you are cleaning. Once this is on, you cannot put the protector back on, so it's either one or the other. So yeah, initial impressions, the machine seems quite nice. On the back there is this power button. We will see if there are batteries installed. Seems like no. Yeah, it will take two AA batteries that are not included, so that's a bit sad. Also a little cleaning brush, some additional blades, so two of them. Now as for the holder here, to remove it, we have to only squeeze on the sides and it opens. And as you can see, the mechanism really easy. There is this cap here that can be unscrewed, the little shaving mechanism, and then the lint will just fall down into the compartment. So yeah, really easy. Also some lecture with some instructions and how to use the spacer ring for like what fabrics to use it. Yeah, this is what you get in the box. Quite a lot for the price, but now we'll see if this actually works well or not.